everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Evelyn and today I'm showing you how to create this 3D ombre balloon heart that's perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's begin. Begin by adding the small parts 2 and 3 to the base. Then connect the remaining art pieces in the corresponding order. This heart frame arch is incredibly quick and simple to assemble and comes with a super convenient carry bag for easy transport. Now that my arch is complete, it's time for balloons. I'm starting with 12-inch balloons and adding clusters of 4 onto a string of 260 balloons. I'm placing the balloons around the arch frame and adding a few more 260 balloons. These will help keep the balloons in place around the arch when we start filling in the center. Sections of red, fuchsia, pink, and blush down both sides of the heart frame. Then I'm tying the ends of a 260 balloon together to create a loop and using this to attach the next cluster of balloons to the inner frame. I'm repeating this process with more clusters of 12-inch balloons, adding in a few 18-inch and 36-inch balloons for dimension, and filling in any gaps with clusters of 5-inch balloons. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.